My rawhide is all in place. I use super glue. It's rough right now. It's not, well, it doesn't look the best. But if everything holds well, I'm just gonna lightly sand it, take away some of these little rough ends, and kind of smooth that spot right there down. And then I'm gonna stain it black. And hopefully this thing holds up. So I'm gonna shoot a few arrows down there. If I don't hear any cracks, I think it may hold up for this upcoming bow season. We'll see. All right.
Our life, a better left to chance. I could have missed the pain, but I'd have had to miss the dance. Yes, my life is better left to chance. I could have missed the pain, but I'd have had to miss the.
It didn't break at the patch. It actually broke towards the handle. I've been trying to do pistol grip handles, and it actually broke right there. Oh well, you learn as you go.